As-Sufi's Multipurpose Chili. Slow cooked with garlic and onion. Bold flavor, no prep. Let's make Char Kway Teow. First, some gentle knife work. Garlic, chai sim, fish cake. You can also add the protein of your choice. Drop the kway teow in a bowl. Wrong bowl. Sorry. Okay. Drop the kway teow in a bowl. Next, dress the kway teow in a robe of dark soy sauce. It's not fancy, but it is flavorful. Think smoky umami with a whisper of caramel. Heat the wok. Pour in some oil. Garlic in. That aromatic sizzle. Okay? In go the prawns, succulent, sweet. Then chai sim, and bean sprouts. Earthy and crunchy, the unsung backbone of every good plate. A cube of chicken stock for depth. Let's crack 3 eggs. Scramble them in the wok. Then add the noodles over the top. Let the yolk coat those strands. Light soy sauce for brightness. Fish cake, bouncy bites of joy. Yes, it's getting serious now. Dash of sugar to taste, and here comes the soul of the dish, As-Sufi's Multipurpose Chili, slow cooked with just the right ratio of garlic and onions, aromatic, rich, and unapologetically bold. Add 2 spoonfuls, maybe 3. Let it all come together. The noodles are glossy, the prawns are plump, and the chili, oh, it lingers in all the right ways. There it is, home-style Char Kway Teow, with that unmistakable kick from As-Sufi's Multipurpose Chili. Smoky, spicy, and deeply nostalgic. Authenticity in a wok, convenience in a pack. Because cooking isn't hard, not when you've got As-Sufi.